Joe Redner, you know that name, famous for his strip clubs in Tampa and for his many legal battles with the city, which tried to shut him down. But this latest legal victory that he has just won could have a ripple effect in Florida's medical marijuana industry. Aaron Mesmer spoke with him tonight here in our newsroom. This is a very interesting lawsuit. Tell us about it, Aaron.
Well, Mark, this goes back to 2016 when Florida voters passed an amendment legalizing medical marijuana. Joe Redner wants to grow his own plants because he says it's the most efficient way to help him deal with stage 4 lung cancer. But the Florida Department of Health told him no. And Redner sued, and a legal expert tells us the state lost this case before it ever went to court.
And this large mass here was his primary lung cancer.
This is a fight Joe Redner had to try to win. Stage 4 lung cancer. It's a deadly diagnosis he received in 2011, and he met it head on with aggressive chemotherapy.
It is one of the worst conditions you could ever be in.
So he turned to marijuana to deal with the painful treatment.
Marijuana relaxes you, lets you lose yourself from all the pain.
Redner's cancer battle led to his next fight. After Floridians voted to legalize medical marijuana in 2016, Redner wanted to grow it himself and use it in a smoothie as his doctor recommended. The state said he couldn't, so he filed a lawsuit. And on Wednesday, a judge sided with Redner, saying he can grow the plants for medicinal use only.
I'm happy for all the people of the state of Florida that are patients and need this medicine.
This is far from Redner's first legal victory. He's been called Tampa's strip club king and scored countless wins in court against the city, which tried to zone him out of business in the 1990s. Legal analyst and Tampa attorney Anthony Rickman says Redner's medical marijuana win could open the door for similar lawsuits.
People who feel they need medical marijuana to treat these illnesses that are defined by statute, it allows them now to raise individualized claims against the state of Florida.
He says the judge determined the state never set clear guidelines governing medical marijuana as the new amendment required.
Since the Department of Health failed to act, they now rely on the expert testimony of Joe Redner's doctors who said he needs it.
And Redner says this victory isn't just for him.
I'm not special, just that I had the money to file the lawsuit and chase it, and I had the knowledge to know I had a good case.
But it's not over yet. The state filed an immediate appeal and asked the judge to issue a stay, which prevents, and the judge agreed, which prevents Redner from growing his own marijuana until the appeal is heard. But Redner is confident he's going to win that appeal as well. Mark.
We shall see. We'll see if the ripple effect here works. Aaron, thanks very much.